till now we have understood and we have spoken about the definition and history of multivariate. Let us learn more about the objectives of multivariate data analysis. Multivariate data analysis helps in the reduction and simplification of data as much as possible without losing any important details. As MVA has multiple variables, the variables are grouped and sorted on the basis of their unique feature. The variable in multivariate data analysis could be dependent or independent. It is important to verify the collected data and analysis the state of the variables. In multivariate data analysis, it is very much important to understand the relationship between all the variables and predict the behavior of the variables based on observations. It is tested to create a statistical hypothesis based on the parameters of multivariate data. This testing is carried out to determine whether or not the assumptions are true. So what do you think? What could be the advantages of multivariate data analysis after understanding the objectives? So as multivariate data analysis deal with multiple variables, all the variables can either be independent or dependent on each other. This will further help the analysis to search for factors that can help in drawing accurate conclusion. Since the analysis is tested, the drawn conclusion are closer to the real life situations. So these we have discussed about certain advantages. What could be the disadvantages? So every side or every process that we do has pros and cons. So definitely there are advantages, but similarly, we also have to deal with certain disadvantages while performing such kind of data analysis process. So multivariate data analysis include many complex computation and hence can be laborious. The analysis necessitates the collections and tabulation of a large number of observations from various variables. This process of observation takes a long time. That's the major disadvantage. Let's further understand uses of multivariate data analysis. Multivariate analysis are used principally for 4 reasons. First, to see patterns of data, to make clear comparisons, to discard unwanted information, and to study multiple factors at once.